Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. Let us relate, transcribe and sound the following words together. Okay, I will open up the slashes quickly and I'll transcribe them for sounding. Doing this can actually help to improve your memory. This is man. So you bring it up. Man. Bring it up. And now this is wo. Woman. This is love. This is marriage. This is happy. This one is children. And this is bird. And this is old. This one is live. Okay, so let me close them up and then we sound them together. It's very important that when you are transcribing words, you open up slashes and close them up at the end. Okay? This is man, woman, woman, woman. Look at the chua sound coming in. The weak letter A. Woman. Love. Marriage. Marriage. Happy. Children. Children. Birth. Birth. Old. Old. Live. Live. Let me go over it just once more. Man, woman, love, marriage, happy, children, birth, old, live. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you.